Once again, Galang Jello welcomes you to Philippine Arena, Bukawi, Bulacan. Philippine Arena. For the second time around, tayo ay nakatapak muli dito sa Philippine Arena. Isang ikot, then larga pabalik. Yes. Here we go again, Monumento. So, pag galing ka ng norte, Baguio, Nueva Ecija, Tarlac, alam nyo, ito ang exit mo, kapang Luzon Basta. Balintawak, NLEX, going north, going south, northeast, northeast. So, we're done with our route sa PH Arena. Unlock natin yung second, ito the longest ride natin for this year. Perfect yung ruta, walang aberya, so thanks God. Till next time, that's all for now mga kagala. See you when I see you. Bye-bye!